Hello, I'm dgerard, and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you daily. Today, you still can't copyright AI slop. News on Monday, the US Supreme Court declined an appeal against the decision that AI-produced art could not be copyrighted. The earlier decision stands. This should be no surprise at all. This was a very weird and dumb case, which was always going to fail. This dates back well before the current AI bubble. Dr. Stephen Thaler has been trying to get copyright assignments and patents for his machine Darbus, device for the autonomous bootstrapping of unified sentience. Thaler is convinced he invented a machine that is actually a person, a creative one. Huge if true. Darbus has apparently produced inventions. Thaler isn't content to file these in his name. He wants the machine to get the credit. So he filed patent applications with Darbus as the inventor in July 2019. The US Patent and Trademark Office rejected the application in April 2020 on the basis that only a natural person could be named on a patent as the inventor. Thaler appealed on behalf of Darbus in June 2020. The Patent Office response to the appeal includes a lot of the sentence. Quote, "The allegations contained within this sentence constitute conclusions of law to which no response is required." Unquote. The court ruled against Thaler in February 2021. Thaler appealed the patent decision, and the appeal was denied in May 2022. Costs were assessed against Thaler. He appealed to the Supreme Court, who declined his appeal in April 2023. The patent ruling stands. Here's Thaler being interviewed on News Nation in August 2023, a few months after that.
And Stephen, you say that you have built a sentient AI, that it has feelings. What do you mean by this?
Well, you're also hearing news that a machine has invented whole new concepts that are being patented right now, and that's resulting in a lot of conflict around the world as we battle in court cases to give credit to the machine. But what is driving the machine to invent, to motivate it, are its emotions, its sentience, its objective feelings.
That was 4 months after Thaler had lost his patent case in the US. The remaining case he's talking about there was the final appeal in the UK, which the UK Supreme Court rejected in December 2023 on the same grounds. An inventor can't be a machine, it has to be a person. So robots can't get patents. Thaler brought the copyright case, which we mentioned on Pivot to AI in late 2024. In this case, Thaler's creativity machine had generated an image, and Thaler went to register the copyright in November 2018. The US Copyright Office rejected the application in August 2019. Quote, "Because it lacks the human authorship necessary to support a copyright claim." Unquote. Thaler appealed the copyright decision in June 2022, and that was thrown out in August 2023. He further appealed to the DC Circuit, and they threw it out in September 2024. He appealed to the Supreme Court, and that's what was declined on Monday. AI can't create a new copyright. Something very like this case has come up before, the monkey selfie case, where a monkey grabbed a camera in 2011 and took a picture of itself. The owner of the camera tried to register a copyright, and in December 2014, the Copyright Office ruled that, a monkey can't own a copyright and can't create a new copyrighted work. Thaler's machines sound like very interesting AI demos, very cool demos. That's different from his machine being alive with feelings and intent. Thaler hasn't got anyone to agree with him on that bit yet. So what all this means, if you generate some AI slop, it's not yours. it's uncopyrightable. It's in the public domain, even if you own the AI that generated it. That doesn't mean you can copyright wash someone else's work either by running it through the AI. Your AI twiddled version might still be a copyright violation, and you could be sued for it. If you edit an AI work, the human-edited parts might create a new copyright, but only for the new elements. If this is your problem, I'm not your lawyer. Go talk to your lawyer. And that's the answer for most copyright questions. But robots can't create a new copyright. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Please forward this episode to just one other person who's worried about AI and copyright. Hit like and subscribe on YouTube. Leave a nice review on your podcast app. And on your way out, don't forget to drop your $5 in the Patreon linked in the show notes. Thank you all. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.